In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture to shapes in Canva. First, go to Elements tab on the left side of your screen. From here, go to the Shapes category, then choose the shapes that you want from these options. For this tutorial, I'll go with this square and circle. Next, to add the texture, just go to the Elements tab again, then search for texture in the search bar. For example, let's use this paper texture. Since the texture is already square, you can just place it on top and resize it like this. After that, you can go to the top toolbar and click this transparency option. Then lower the transparency to blend it with the shape. Then select them both and click group to lock them together. As you can see, we now have a shape with a texture. But what if your shape is a circle or any other shape that is more complex like heart or star? Since most textures are rectangular, it won't fit perfectly. To fix this, let's go to the Apps tab on the left side of our screen. Then go to the search bar and search for Shape Cropper. Click the Shape Cropper and click Open. Select the texture that you want to add, then choose the circle shape in the cropper. You can zoom and adjust the part of the texture that you want to use and click Add to Design. Let's delete this one. And now we can add this texture to this circle. Just like before, adjust the position, then adjust the transparency in the top toolbar. And lastly, select them both and click Group to lock them together. So that's how to add texture to shapes in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.